Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a sketch in Tinkercad. So what you'll need to do is open workplane and click on this little arrow if you don't see these tools. Now what you'll need to do is select this extrude sketch and just click on the random place, and now it will move you into your sketch plane where you'll be able to sketch it. So let's say I will sketch some random figure, let's say something like this. And now what you can do is right here, create new shape, or just use this pen and actually move around the lines. So as you can see, now I'll click finish the sketch and it will show my sketch right now. So you can move that sketch around or make it bigger and etc. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.